You don't really know nothing about everything that people use, but yeah, tell me say this is what must be and that's what
I think
it
you
must
have to
be.
start over because I just roll
No.
my eyes.
I will have it out.
Hi, Tammy. What's happening? What are you doing there, Tammy? What is your sister going to be doing to you now? She's going to be putting milk on your face? What it says milk, but that's not milk. That looks like water. She's combing her eyebrows, and as you can see, she hasn't got to draw on anything because Tamiel already has an abundance of eyebrow. The woodpecker is now applying a beige paint under the eyebrow, and I imagine this is so that the eyebrow will be emphasized. She also applies the beige paint above the eyebrow, and as you can see, it is popping. The eyebrow is popping. Now she's using a small fluffy brush to remove what she just put there. I don't understand. Anyway, she probably knows what she's doing. She's now applying a lighter color and blending both to give a lighter shade, I'm thinking. She now goes to the Slush palette to get the color for the eyes. And the first one that she will use is the purple. Purple. Yeah, that's the purple here. And she puts that on over what is already there. Now she is going to be using a lighter purple, blending both together. And I don't know for what purpose that is. Blending the darker and lighter colors seem to bring out a peach look. Now she is ministering something eyeliner on her eyes, and I didn't even know that Tammy would sit still for her to have this done to her, but she seemed to be okay with it. She is now going to be applying the base foundation to the rest of her face. She applies the foundation with a brush, yes, all over, and then she uses a sponge to sort of smooth out the foundation on Tammy's rough face, so that when you look at her and when you see her, she looks like she has smooth skin. What a thing makeup can do. Now she's going to apply a powder to the foundation, which will, I imagine, keep the foundation in place so that it doesn't run all over the place. And then she uses some sort of another little, I don't know if that's a brush, yes, to put on some concealer or something like that under her eyes, over her forehead. And then she uses a sponge to blend it out to make it even all around, I guess. Now she uses something that looks like, oh, that's the glue stick thing, yeah, to put on a darker color onto the foundation and the powder. And this will, I guess, punctuate or emphasize the bone, the structure, jawbone. Okay, that's another palette now, and I think that one is the blush. Now she's adding highlight to bring out the finish. Now she's painting the underside of the lower lash. She's now applying lipstick, and Tammy seems to be helping out there. And now she's going to be putting on the finishing touch. Ah, there is Tammy now. Oh, you like it? You like it, Tammy? Oh, I guess she has to.
Alright, chillers, so there you have it. I did my sister's makeup and my dad did the commentary. I will leave the steps below. Doesn't she look beautiful? This was her birthday makeup. Y'all know what to do. Subscribe, like, share, comment below, and I'll see you again next time on Makeup and Chill with Woodpecker.